As we begin, let's dive into residential real estate investing. This involves acquiring properties for personal use or generating rental income. It's a cornerstone of many investment portfolios due to its stability and the potential for long-term appreciation. Residential properties play a crucial role in diversified portfolios, offering stability, consistent rental income, and the promise of capital appreciation. Now, let's explore the types of residential investments. Investing in single-family homes is a common strategy, providing steady rental income and potential for property appreciation. Multifamily properties, such as apartment buildings, offer scalability with multiple income streams, albeit with management complexities. Vacation rentals, though offering higher returns, may be influenced by seasonal fluctuations, providing a unique opportunity for portfolio diversification. Moving on to strategies in residential real estate. The buy and hold strategy involves acquiring properties for long-term appreciation, benefiting from property value increases over time. House hacking is an innovative approach, where living in one unit of a multi-unit property helps cover mortgage costs. Short-term rentals, like Airbnb, offer higher returns, but demand active management and are influenced by local demand. Long-term rentals provide stable income with less turnover, but may require ongoing property management. Now, let's delve into the risk and considerations in residential real estate. Understanding market trends is crucial. Shifts in demographics, demand, and economic conditions can impact residential real estate. Various financing options, including mortgages and loans, should align with investment goals and risk tolerance. Property management challenges include addressing tenant issues, property maintenance, and staying compliant with regulations. As we conclude, I want to express my gratitude for joining this exploration of real estate investments. If you found this content valuable, please consider giving it a like, share it for wider reach, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support keeps the knowledge flowing. Thank you, and until next time.